Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath's FX channel, and this is the Arrow OS 11 with the April security patch. As you can see, Android 11 based ROM. As you can see, with the April 5 security patch for Redmi Note 7 Pro Violet, and this is how the quick settings panel you get. Let me adjust the brightness. And these are the apps I am using. Everything is working fine here. Even the safety net test, as you can see, it gets passed. And coming to change logs, here something they are showing, but let me check out the speed test here. As you can see, I have here like 100 Mbps plan and it's pulling up to 94 or like that. It's fine, no problem in this one. As you can see, up to 93 Mbps it is pulling down. And coming to Geekbench scores, as you can see, I have run the Geekbench scores 486 for single and 1142. It's a little bit slower for multi-score, but anyhow, day-to-day users, I never faced any problems. As you can see, even the FPS info is also given in this ROM. As you can see, you can check out the current frames per second from here, and even the dark theme is working fine in this ROM. All the features and everything is working fine. You don't get any features here. As you can see, this is the battery settings. Let me turn off the dark theme. As you can see, you get all the Android 11 stock type OS this is, and you won't get any lots of customization here. Minimal customization, but it's fine. As you can see, the battery life of this ROM is also pretty good. You can use it as a daily driver. As you can see, you get this button settings and gesture settings extra, and this violet parts. You can change the display color calibration. That is working fine here. Some of the ROMs you don't get this, but here it's fine. As you can see, you can change here. I kept like deep black and white, and you can even change it to cool AMOLED. It's working fine. Nothing problem in this ROM. Even the voice calls and signal reception, everything is fine. Even the RAM management is also fine in this ROM. It's nothing complainable here. You can use it as a daily driver, as you can see. And auto brightness is also working fine. Everything is fine. No major bugs or anything like that. Yes, while playing games I noticed a little bit warmer, but anyhow it's okay. The summers are here, but it's not a gaming ROM or anything like that. For daily usage it's fine. And you get this Google Go camera as pre-installed in this ROM. If you want, you can use Arno build Gcam 7.4. As you can see, I am using it. As you can see, even you can try the new 8.1, but 7.4 is more stable. You can use it as main camera. And coming to system settings, as you can see, I have installed one update here on April 14th. I got 1.3 GB. It directly goes to recovery and it get updated, but I recommend to clean flash this any ROMs. And this is how the ROM is working. I already posted a video on this screen recording, and I posted a video on how to flash a ROM of OxygenOS. Follow the same method for any ROM. You need to flash firmware always, even if they're given or not given. That will help you better. And you get smart lock, app lock, and even the face unlock and fingerprint lock. Everything is working fine in this ROM. I tested it extensively for a week and more, and this is how the ROM is. Its performance is good. And this is how the home screen you get in this ROM. As you can see, pixel type launcher, and you won't get Google search button downside. It will get upwards, and double tap to unlock and pattern, everything is fine. You can use it as a daily driver, but just in the gaming you don't get like high frame rates here. If you want, you can unlock using some file or GFX tool. You should unlock the 60 fps gameplay. But for daily users like who don't game a lot like high-end games, they can use it this as a daily driver. And for light game, it's okay. If you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and also allow the notification so that you will get similar kind of videos first to you, and hit the like button if you like it, and do comment down below which all the videos you like. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.